Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Emma and she's coming for a redesign. So I removed her previous set back down to the clear layer that we applied when we first done her fresh set, and then we're just going to keep infilling the growth with a thin layer of clear. You get the idea. That didn't mean to rhyme, but it did. So we removed that set. She had that brown chocolatey vibe set that I uploaded on YouTube, so we removed that back down to, yep, said that, didn't I? So now we're going straight in with design. So she still wanted like an autumnal set. It's the 1st of October, isn't it? The weather is spot on. We even had thunder today, which I love. By the way, excuse my nails. I know I have no excuse, but I never do my nails and I'm just sick of it. Anyway, so we're going in with a nice deep purple. So this is elderberry, I think, from CJP. So just a falling out of that. So this colour, this finger, so do you know what, I woke up this morning with a massive migraine. Like, I have not had a migraine like that in so long. I couldn't see, I could see, but I couldn't, like, the light was awful. People talking, I had to tell them just to stop talking. Someone sprayed something, I was like, can you not spray something? And I just slept. I had to cancel my clients, 2 people this morning. But I went to sleep and then I had something to eat and it seems to have gone, but I don't know how I survived it, but somehow I did. Like, my head is slightly just a little bit dull where the pain was so intense. But anyway, let's get past that. I never want to go there ever again. So this glitter is a new one and Emma actually asked for it. I didn't force her to have it. She said that she saw it on my story and she wanted it. So it's my new glitter called Voodoo. And no, I'm not gonna do any spells on her. I did take a piece of her hair though, so if she breaks a nail, I'm doing some voodoo shit on her. Jokes. So yeah, Voodoo, I absolutely love it. So it's like a dirty gold with a slight like colour of purple in it. So it's chunky, like a dirty gold. I'm saying dirty gold. Like a rustic gold. And then there's some fine glitter of purple, and it's just gorgeous. So yeah, it was really easy to work with as well, which is always fab. I just put that base colour down just in case it was a bit tricky to work with, and we had some sparse areas, but it was all good. So onto the middle, and this one's going to be a glitter fade. So we're using peach sorbet, and then we're going to come in with the same glitter and fade it up the nail. So I'll let you watch. I'm using my size 10 brush that I got a bit of acrylic in that set rock hard, and I picked it out. So it's a little bit ruined, but it's okay. It's still doing the job. This really is just a simple set, but I wanted to record it because we didn't know what we was doing. We went, like, she was like, as we was doing the nails, she was like, okay, the baby finger, can I have just simple? And then when I was just about to finish, I was going, so what we're going to do on the ring? And then she'd tell me. So we was doing it like that. So I just wanted to record it in case it was like a real good video. But it is pretty simple. But I know most of you still like a simple video, you like to see application, blah blah blah. So yeah, the point is just going to be a full nail of elderberry, and I thought I said that wrong again. And then the thumb is going to be elderberry at the cuticle area, and then we're going to blend the glitter up. So I'll just leave you to watch this part. So I started to cap using my size 10 brush, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to use my size 12. So I switched. You'll see me in a minute, it'll just cut off, and then you'll see a little bit of the bigger brush, and it's my size 12. I always just seem to reach for my size 10. I always did love a big brush, but I think the size 10 for me is just perfect. But I actually really enjoyed using my 12, to be fair. I loved it actually. And then I continued to use my size 12 on her other hand, so and I did the whole set using the 12 with that. So yeah, we're just going to cap all these nails in crystal glass. So we've done all the filing off camera, and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and we're just gonna apply a nice thin even layer of that over all her nails. Watch the nails come to life. And then she'll cure in the LED for 60 seconds. We applied cuticle oil, and that is a set complete. Really love these actually. I love purple and blue, but my favourite colour is pink, but I love purple and blue nails, don't ask. But anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.